Margaret Thatcher on TV, shocked by the deaths that took place in Beijing. It seems strange that you should be offended. The same orders are given by her. I've said this before now. You said I was childish, but you'll say it now. Remember what I told you. If they hated me, they will hate you. England's not a mythical land of Madame George and roses. It's the home of police who shoot black boys on mopeds. And I love my boy, and that's why I'm leaving. I don't want him to be aware that there's any such thing as grieving. Young mother down in Smithfield, 5 a.m. looking for food for her kids. In her arms she holds 3 cold babies, and the first words that they learned was, please. These are dangerous days. To say what you feel is to dig your own grave. Remember what I told you. Be aware of the ones who love you. England's not a mythical land of Madame George and roses. It's the home of police who shoot black boys on mopeds. And I love my boy, and that's why I'm leaving. I don't want him to be aware that there's any such thing as grieving. Not a mythical land of Madame George and roses. It's the home of police who kill black boys on mopeds. And I love my boys, and that's why I'm leaving. I don't want him to be aware that there's any such thing as grieving. England's not a mythical land of Madame George and roses. It's the home of police who shoot black boys on mopeds. And I love my boy, and that's why I'm leaving. I don't want him to be aware that there's any such thing as grieving.